To use Nano Banana 2 for image generation in Artlist AI, start by logging into your Artlist account and opening the AI toolkit. Nano Banana 2 is an image generation model that allows you to create visuals from text descriptions while also supporting reference images for greater creative control. Once you are inside the AI toolkit, navigate to the Image Generation workspace. This is where all image creation takes place. Before entering a prompt, locate the Model Selection menu and choose Nano Banana 2 from the list of available models. Selecting the correct model ensures that your images are generated using Nano Banana 2's capabilities and settings. After choosing the model, click inside the prompt field and begin describing the image you want to create. The quality of your result often depends on how detailed your prompt is. Include information about the subject, environment, lighting, colors, mood, and style. For example, instead of entering a simple phrase like a beach, you could describe a tropical beach at sunset with palm trees, golden lighting, crystal clear water, and realistic reflections. If you want the generated image to follow a particular visual style or match existing content, you can upload one or more reference images. Reference images help guide the AI and can improve consistency across multiple generations. This is especially useful for branding projects, character concepts, product visuals, or maintaining a specific artistic direction. Next, review the available generation settings. Depending on your plan and workspace options, you may be able to choose different aspect ratios such as square, landscape, or vertical formats. Selecting the appropriate aspect ratio helps ensure the image fits its intended use, whether for social media, presentations, websites, or video content. Once your prompt and settings are ready, click the Generate button. Nano Banana 2 will process your instructions and create one or more image variations based on your description. The generation process is typically quick, allowing you to experiment with different prompts and creative ideas efficiently. When the images appear, carefully review the results. If you want improvements, simply modify the prompt, adjust your references, or refine the details and generate another version. Many users go through several iterations before arriving at their preferred result. After selecting the image you like best, click Download to save it to your device. You can then use the image for creative projects, marketing materials, presentations, social media content, or other visual productions. And that's how you use Nano Banana 2 for image generation in Artlist AI. Select the model, enter a detailed prompt, customize your settings, generate your image, and refine the results until you achieve the visual outcome you want.